Ever wondered how to make sure your Jira project truly delivers what users need? Today, we're diving into use cases in Jira, a crucial concept for understanding user needs from their perspective. Think of it as outlining the story of how user interacts with your product or the feature you are planning to build. A use case describes a specific interaction or scenario. Imagine a project for building a new e-commerce platform. Use case could be a customer placing an order or resetting a password. If there is a new mobile app in Jira, you can create a use case as an issue, just like a feature or bug. The issue type is important. Select the right one. Then, in the summary, you write a short, descriptive title. For example, user places an order successfully. Inside your Jira issue for a use case, you will provide rich details. Start with a brief description of the scenario. Next, provide a step-by-step narrative that describes how the user will interact with the product to accomplish a goal for that customer placing an order use case. Each step the customer takes would be outlined. Then, specify the expected outcome. After each action for the customer placing an order case, a success and failure scenario will be outlined. What should happen? What should the system do? This helps provide a clear vision. Use cases act as the communication engine. By explicitly documenting these user product scenarios in Jira, you ensure you understand and meet end user needs. So, get started building clear, user-centric, and functional projects. Start writing those use cases.